What's up, legends? I have absolutely cracked the code on content generation with one of the best combinations of automation and AI that I've come across yet. Let me break it down for you real quick. So I've actually been able to generate LinkedIn profile posts and Facebook posts every single day. And not only that, but it sounds and looks just like it was written by a human being. I know it sounds too good to be true. I'll prove it. This is my build in Make. All I've got here, one is basically giving us the topics to choose from, one is giving us tones to choose from, and one is giving us voices to choose from. Put in about 5 different topics, 5 different tones, 4 different voices. Topics are whatever you want to talk about, obviously. Tones are going to be the overall tone that you want to use for that particular article. I've used happy, fun, direct. You could use motivational, anything like that for the tone, right? And then the overall voice, of course, you can use anybody that you're super familiar with that's like a pop culture icon, anybody that is very distinct in the way that they communicate. Some examples of that could be Russell Brunson, Gary Vee, whoever you can think of. I haven't tried it, but you could probably put Donald Trump in there and see if it would talk like Donald Trump. It probably would. You could even put Uncle Joe in there if you wanted to. Listen, I'm not calling anybody out. So if you want to put Uncle Joe in there, maybe it'll a lot of ellipses and thinking emojis, and maybe it'll trip up and stuff like that a little bit too. After you have these guys put in there, then I've got a router here, which is basically because I don't want to have the exact same content in both places. So I have it come over here. This little guy here is what basically gives ChatGPT its role and its persona. So it's basically, hey, you're going to be a professional LinkedIn post person. And then down here, it's you're a professional Facebook post person. And then obviously they're a little more complex than that. I think I've got some stuff in there about being a direct response marketer, and I got a lot of other contextual stuff in there too. So that's where the magic happens. That's the sauce that actually gives you the output. So this is going through and creating a post on my Facebook business page, and then this guy here is creating the post on my LinkedIn page. These little guys here are basically just like the end of the cycle. I actually have this set up so that it'll run every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and this is running at 9 a.m. And I have another one that I have go on at 6 p.m., but that one only goes 3 days a week. So I think it's Monday, Wednesday, and Friday that I've got that one set up. I literally just cracked this open last night. I'm still testing it a little bit, but I want to show you guys how amazing a lot of the content is that's coming out of that. Let me dive in and show you how we can check and see whether they sound like a human. I've got a couple of favorite tools here that I'm going to recommend. The first tool is going to be writer.com/AI-content-detector. This is going to tell you how human the content looks. Obviously, the lower it is, the more it sounds like AI. The higher it is, the more it sounds like an actual human wrote it. And then take that one step further, and if you use this guy here, which is Quillbot, I went ahead and bought the premium package of it. It's not that much, pays for an entire year of it, and then you can, if you want. Now, I'm not doing this right now, and I may try to add this as an extra step in there. What you'll see shortly is that most of the time it's actually coming out and it's pretty good already. So I'm not too worried about changing it up or making it sound more human. I'm literally just spitting it out there because done is better than perfect. This paraphraser will magically take almost anything that you put into it that even sounds just a little bit off from being human. You throw it in here, you hit the paraphrase button, bada bing, bada boom, you've got stuff that sounds 100% human generated every single time. Almost. There's 1 or 2 times that I've had it come up now. That would be in the video that I show you in just a second. Every time prior to that, I had it come up and say 100% human generated every single time. I'm going to cut to the video where I walk you through all this. If you guys have any questions, if you wanted to see what it would look like to set this up for you and your business or on your personal LinkedIn and Facebook, feel free to reach out to me, get a hold of me. We'd be happy to take a look at it for you, show you what that would look like. Let's go ahead and show you the content this thing spits out. I think you're going to be absolutely amazed. Figured I would go ahead and show this off real quick because I'm actually proud of it. It's something that took a long time and I'm still working on, and it's going through its iterations and all that good stuff. This is one of the posts that was actually written entirely by AI, automatically posted, and is posted every single day, and on a couple of days a week, multiple times a day. It always varies the product and all that stuff. I just refined this last night again. So if you were to go to my profile and check it out, you'd see in the previous weeks it was okay, but it wasn't quite to this level. And again, I'm still iterating on this. So this is actually pretty decent. It's not 100% spot on, but it's good. And what I wanted to show you was we can actually go to an AI writing detector here, and this actually comes up pretty good. This actually believes that with 92% accuracy that it's a human generated article. So that's good enough for me. A technique that you can do to make it even more human is come over into here. I haven't even tried like automating this process because honestly, I'm fine with the layout the way it is. You could honestly come over into here, use this, bring this back over, paste that in, and now it says it's 100% human generated. And that took me literally a couple of seconds. And this is actually pretty good. And honestly, putting it through that ends up running it so that now it's 100% human generated content. So I may be able to automate that process as well. But quite frankly, like I said, even just using regular output, it's actually pretty good. So if you want more information or would like me to implement this for one of your businesses, feel free to reach out to me. These are ones that were like in the middle of the iteration. I don't know how well crafted these are. So for instance, this one, this comes up 85%. If you wanted to put it into here, and then I could bring it back over here. Now it says it's 100%, right? So I actually have this doing to Facebook as well. So it's actually generating different information over there. This was fully automated as well. This is a similar workflow, but off of a different prompt so that it's not the exact same information. But if we put that in, analyze that text, that's lower on the text scale. Let's grab this, bring that one over into here, paraphrase, copy this, bring this back over, put in. Now we're at 93%. If I wanted to, I could then take this, put that back over here, paraphrase again, bring that back over here, see what we get. 94%. Not bad. There's still clearly some things that it's picking up on. There's a couple of different modifiers over here you can use. So one of them is like a copywriter. Try to simplify it, if that makes any difference. Honestly, 91% is still pretty good. Now I'm getting a little lost down a rabbit hole because I'm frustrated that it's the first time I haven't been able to get one to go to 100%. I might just nuke that output altogether. Here's one that I did last night as well. So this one is, again, 100% posted by AI. The only thing I did with this was after I pulled it out and put it into a spacing ordeal that spaced it out for me. Here, this is 92%. Again, haven't put it into any type of modifier or anything like that. I could throw it into here if I wanted to. I don't usually mess with this just because I'm okay with it not showing that it's 100% human written. So if we do that, now we're at 100%, right? Like I said, it works pretty good. And what I do is I come over here and I go to let them know that it's a prompt. Every sentence, new paragraph. And then that'll actually break it all out for you. Then you could take something like this and then paste it over into the Space app, and then you can just post it just like that. So let's see. So what I want to do is actually take the piece of content from earlier today, which is going to be this one here. And then, like I said, you would just take this guy here. Now it's actually bolded and everything. And now we've got something that actually can be posted. So you can't post like to a personal profile on Facebook. That's the only manual part that I have to do. And like I said, I just have this running all the time. I don't actually mess with anything. I'm actually getting engagement from this too, which is good. And this was the other one that was written. So here's the scoop, chatbots. And this is actually getting a lot of engagement on this one post. So this is actually resonating with people, which is good. And if we take this and put it over here, see what it thinks about this text. It thinks this is 88%, but I got a lot of engagement, so I might not even mess with it. But if I wanted to, you could come over here, paraphrase, and then Copy these, bring this back over, see where we're at. 97%. Went a little bit farther than what I was intending on, but at the end of the day, the point is I have this pretty dialed in now. This took me months of work to get to work the way that I wanted it to. And so, for instance, just to show you guys, if we go back to some of my older posts, I had some places where it wasn't hitting 100%. It was creating these stars and everything. It was too long, but it was decent content. I actually have some engagement on several of these. I've got that all fixed now. It's all working great. Everything sounds and looks awesome. I'm pretty impressed with it. Like I said, if anybody wanted to, get access to this, let me know, and I can let you guys know what that would look like. So otherwise, I hope this was helpful, and you guys have a good one.